students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching lecture on the motion of the earth. In the last lecture, you know what if earth is not tilted on its axis, which was very important for you. Now today's class is more important than last of your class. Okay, so must watch. And the last of the video, I would like to show some practical based study so that it will be clear all the things solstice and about equinox. Okay, so let us deal first on whiteboard, then after some practical based study. So keep watching. The two terminology here, some is solstice and second is equinox. Solstice means literally in a layman language you can say sun stands still is what? Solstice. Sun projected due to inclination of the earth on its axis, or tilted of the earth on its axis. Sunlight projected is not fixed on earth, it is variable. Variation in the projection of sunlight on earth due to rotation and revolution of the earth. That's why these things happen. Some time on the particular day we have day and night equal, and some particular day in northern hemisphere it will be bigger day and smaller night in comparison to southern hemisphere, like that. Okay, so we live in northern hemisphere, that's why we compare our study on the basis of northern hemisphere. Okay, when it's come to talking about summer solstice, that means in northern hemisphere it will be summer solstice. Opposite to that we have winter solstice in southern hemisphere, and likewise in 22nd of December we have winter solstice in northern hemisphere and summer solstice in southern hemisphere. Okay, I hope it will be clear. So equinox means eq means equal. Okay, so equinox means equal day and equal night we have. So let us start. Why this collaborativity? I am kidding. Why this will happen? This has happened. So you must have learned, or you have some idea that in a year earth comes sunlight comes vertically on equator 2 times. Okay, and 1 times in what? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so let us start when it will be on equator and Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. Okay, when in the month of March and in the month of September, earth sunlight projected on earth vertically on equator. 2 months we have. Okay, so 21st of March, this one is the projection of sunlight here on equator, direct equator. Okay, so and after that projection of the earth sunlight on earth towards northern hemisphere because of earth tilted and faces of the sun towards northward side. Okay, so that the projection of the sunlight on actually on northern hemisphere. So in the southern hemisphere there is minuscule amount of sunlight, that's why there is the small days and bigger night, and the season was what? Started winter in southern hemisphere opposite to northern hemisphere. So in the 21st of March, earth sunlight on equator, and in each and every month sunlight projected above 8 degree of the earth above northern hemisphere. Okay, so on the 21st of June sunlight falls vertically on Tropic of Cancer, and you know very much there are so many states in India passes through Tropic of Cancer. So 21st of the March is the biggest day in Northern Hemisphere. So this biggest day on Northern Hemisphere is called summer solstice. And sunlight goes ever and 21st of June. Then after 23rd of March, it will again on equator. Okay, so vertically on equator, and this time after September, it sunlight where goes towards southern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. Okay, so northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere we have. So 23rd of September we have autumnal equinox. Okay, after that in the northern hemisphere, because of sunlight projected on southern hemisphere, so in the month of December 23rd on northern hemisphere we have what? Short days, small days and bigger night. And opposite to this, in the southern hemisphere, bigger day and smaller night. That means in southern hemisphere we have summer solstice, but in our side, that means northern hemisphere, we have winter solstice. I hope it will be clear. And now time to observation. So dear students, let us observe some practical here. Look at this. This is the elliptical path of the earth. Isn't it elliptical? So this is the equator of the earth, this red line, and from here to here this is the Tropic of Cancer, and here this is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so when earth revolve and reach here, sunlight actually falls direct on equator. Okay, so this is equator, direct on equator. So look at this part is actually on equator. We have what? Sunlight direct falls on here. So this is equal day and equal night. This is actually half part of the earth. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. So equal day and equal night on both of the hemisphere, northern hemisphere actually. So look at this. We have 21st of March. This will happen. And when earth reach here, because of the tilt of the earth, sunlight on 21st of June actually on where? On Tropic of Cancer. That means this is Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Cancer. So entire northern hemisphere is what? Falls on summer part of the sun. So this will happen actually in 21st of June. We have biggest day in northern hemisphere and smallest night in northern hemisphere. Opposite to, contrary to southern hemisphere, small day and bigger night. And when again it's reach here, this is 23rd of September, and with this 23rd of September we have what? Equal day and equal night. This is called what? Autumn equinox. Autumn equinox. Okay, autumn equinox. And 21st of March we have what? We have a spring or vernal equinox. Okay, now when sun reach 23rd of December, that means here 23rd of December. So sunlight direct falls on Tropic of Capricorn. This line, blue line. Okay. So now southern hemisphere, it is vertical sunlight on Tropic of Cancer. So in the northern hemisphere, we feel what? Winter season here, and this part summer season. So in the northern hemisphere, they will be small 22nd of what? 22nd of December. So you must remember it. Thank you so much.
देखिए ठीक बोला ना।